In this video, I will show you how you can separate your iPhone and your iPad with the same Apple ID. Now, to do that, first of all, on your iPad, just go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on iCloud, then tap on Save to iCloud. Now from here, just select the data which you don't want to be synced with your iPhone. For example, if you don't want the photos from your iPhone to be synced with your iPad, just tap on iCloud Photos and disable Sync this iPad. Now just go back and do the same with all the data which you don't want to be synced with your iPhone. After that, in the main settings page, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just tap on App Store. Now, if you don't want the apps which are installed on your iPhone to be automatically installed on your iPad, just disable this toggle. And after that, just go back to the app list, and from here, just look for FaceTime and Messages. Now from here, just scroll down, and you can be reached by FaceTime at. Just use a different Apple ID or a different contact number than your iPhone. If you're using the same Apple ID or the same phone number in iMessages or FaceTime as your iPhone, all the FaceTime calls and your iMessages will be received on your iPad. So make sure you use a different ID or a different number over here. Just like that. And the same goes with the messages. Just go to Messages, then tap on Send and Receive, and from here just use a different ID or a different number. After that, now on your iPhone, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the phone app, then tap on it. Now from here, just look for the option for calls on other devices. If this feature is enabled, and if you don't want the calls from your iPhone to be received on your iPad, just disable the toggle for iPad, or you can just disable allow calls on other devices. After you do that, the calls from your iPhone will not be synced to your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.